My name is David, and my idiom is caught red-handed. And my idiom is caught red-handed. So caught red-handed means for someone to be caught in the act. So let me put it in a sentence. I saw them stealing the meat, and we caught them red-handed.
In the execution of justice in civilized cultures, the use of technology has aided judgment and made it easier to conclude. The surveillance cameras have caught burglars in the act of crime, and on some occasions, somebody just happens to be around an incident and uses the mobile phone to capture an act of violence against an individual or the breaking of traffic rules. In the United States or United Kingdom, you will be booked for traffic offense and the penalty is yours to sort out. Hello there, I'm Helen. Today, we will take a shot at the phrase caught red-handed. This means to be caught in the act of wrongdoing. The earliest reference was probably those caught in murder or poaching. That is illegal killing of animals, and the evidence was a blood-stained hand, hence the red hand. For example, I told Yemi not to touch my food while I went to bring his, but I caught him red-handed as he scooped a spoonful into his mouth. Going into history, there is this general consensus that this originated from Scotland in the 15th century. Its first usage was in the Scottish Acts of Parliament of James I in 1432. Then, it began to pop up in legal proceedings to a person caught in the act of crime. This phrase was originally red hand, single word, and then it transitioned to red-handed, compound word in Sir Walter Scott's Ivanhoe, where he wrote, "I did but tie one fellow who was taken red-handed, and in the fact, to the horns of a wild stag." This work made the phrase spread throughout the English-speaking world. In 1857, caught red-handed was used by George Alfred Lawrence in Guy Livingstone.
We're clear. I did what you wanted. Now give me my daughter. You can take my car.
Drop your gun!
Ever caught anybody red-handed? Well, I have. Please express your thoughts in the comment section. Like and share. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification. Until we'll bring you another interesting episode, thank you for being part of today's viewership.